In this video, you will learn how to place an interlibrary loan request. Interlibrary loans are also referred to as document delivery. An interlibrary loan is a book, journal, audiovisual item, or other item from libraries outside of Novanet. Items can come from other institutions in Canada, the US, Europe, and more. Borrowing periods for interlibrary loans are set by the home library, not Mount Allison, and can vary. And interlibrary loans do not appear in your Novanet account. There are different ways to place an interlibrary loan request. If you already have information on the item that you want, you can fill out an interlibrary loan request form. Go to the interlibrary loan page of the library's website, libraryguides.mta.ca, and select Interlibrary Loans and Request an Interlibrary Loan. From here, you will be directed to a new login page. This platform is different from Novanet, but uses the same credentials as your login to Novanet. If you have trouble logging into this page, contact Access Services. Add request options are on the left. Once you have filled out as much information about the item you need as you can, scroll to the bottom and ensure your contact information is correct, and hit Submit. Another option to place a request is when you've done a Novanet search with no results. At the bottom of the page, you will see a box that says Not finding what you're looking for, with a link for WorldCat. WorldCat is a worldwide library catalog that Novanet libraries participate in. This gives us a larger catalog to search in for items. The default setting in WorldCat is for holdings in Mount Allison libraries. You will notice that some results appear here that did not appear in Novanet. This is very useful, but is still not the exact book that I want. On the left, uncheck Mount Allison University Libraries to refresh the page to look in worldwide libraries. Then, in the drop-down menu, sort by best match and wait for the results. In my case, the book I need is the first result, but you might have to change the settings to find what you're looking for. Once I click on the title of the book, the record for that item opens. Under Check Availability, you'll see locations across the world where the item is held, as well as the distance from Mount Allison. To request the item, hit the Interlibrary Loan button. If you are not logged in, you will be prompted to do so again. Because we requested the interlibrary loan through WorldCat, the request form has auto-populated the information for us. All I need to do is confirm the information is correct and hit Submit. After submitting an interlibrary loan request, you will receive an email confirming your submission and another when it is ready for pickup. Congratulations! You have successfully placed an interlibrary loan. Did you have trouble logging into the interlibrary loan account? Contact the circulation desk at nbsam@mta.ca or by phone 506-364-2568. See you in the libraries.